Two forces of magnitude P and Q are perpendicular to each other. Their resultant is of the magnitude R. When they are at the angle of 180 degree to each other, their resultant is R by root 2. If I say the first case, let us say this is P, this is Q over here. Okay. So R will lie somewhere over here. Okay. Now when they are at 180 degree, this will be P, this will be Q. The resultant over here will be in the direction of the greater force. So I will say that, let me assume that the P is the greater force. So it will be equal to R divided by root 2. Find the ratio of P and Q. Okay, we have to find out the ratio of P and Q. In the first case, the resultant, we will use the formula of the resultant. Resultant over here is equal to root of P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. In the first case, the angle between them is 90 degree. So cos 90 is equal to 1. So the resultant is equal to root of P square plus Q square. Let this be equation number 1. In the second case, the angle between them is 180 degree. So resultant over here will be equal to root of P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. Now cos theta over here is equal to cos 180 is equal to negative 1. So minus 2PQ. Okay. And the resultant over here is given as R by root 2. Okay. When I square the first and the second equation, let this be the second equation, I will get R square is equal to P square plus Q square, and over here R square by 2 over here is equal to P square plus Q square minus 2PQ. Okay. When I divide both of them, I divide R square by 2, I will get 2 will be equal to 2 over here will be equal to P square plus Q square divided by P square plus Q square minus 2PQ. So over here it will be equal to, when I swap these terms, it will be equal to 2P square plus 2Q square minus 2PQ minus 4PQ will be equal to minus 4PQ will be equal to P square plus Q square. Okay, when I simplify this part, it will get P square and Q square will shift on the left hand side. So P square plus Q square will be equal to 4PQ. Okay. Now I will divide the whole equation by Q square. On the left hand side, I will get P square by Q square plus 1 is equal to 4P divided by Q. I want to find out the ratio of P by Q. Let it be equal to X. Okay. Let it be equal to X. So X square minus 4X plus 1 will be equal to 0. So X will have the value minus B plus minus, I will use the quadratic equation, root of B square minus 4AC divided by 2A. So which is equal to over here 4 plus minus root of B square, which is equal to 16, minus 4AC. So it will be equal to minus 4 divided by 2 into A over here is equal to 1. So basically it will be equal to 4 plus minus root of this will be equal to 12 divided by 2. From 12 I can take 4 common, so it will be equal to 4 plus minus 2 root 3 divided by 2. So basically P by Q can either be equal to 2 plus minus root 3. Okay. So it can either be equal to 2 plus root 3, or it can either be equal to 2 minus root 3. Okay. 2 minus root 3. Since both of them are positive values, okay, it can be either of them.